Hello all, welcome to my channel. If you are not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. If you are coming back, welcome back. In today's video, I'm showing you guys the easiest stew recipe. Okay, you guys, for this recipe, we are going to need tomatoes. I'm going to blend these tomatoes together with onions, with some garlic and ginger. I'm going to use some thyme too. I'm going to also use some red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and Maggi cubes, some salt. I'm going to use some garlic powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of clove, and the cracked pepper and garlic with sea salt. Bay leaves for sure. And here is the meat and celery, tomatoes, red bell peppers, some thyme, ginger, not too much of ginger, some garlic, onions, this is our blended mixture. The meat has already been washed thoroughly, and I'm gonna start spicing the meat. This is the easiest recipe for anybody, okay, and it's delicious. I'll start adding my salt on the meat. So I put a little bit of salt, a little bit of onions, my thyme, more thyme. I love thyme, guys. 1 Maggi cube. I'm gonna add my cracked pepper and garlic with sea salt. A tiny bit of smoked paprika. I'm gonna add a little bit of beef to this, but this takes longer to cook than the beef, so I want this to cook first. I already boiled my beef. Once everything is cooked, I'll add the beef. A little bit of oil, just a little bit. Okay, I'm now gonna add in the blended mixture you guys saw me making earlier in here. All of it. I'll add water to the blender. And there was the juice from the beef. This meat needs to cook for a very long time. So I'm gonna add the juice from the beef. I told you guys I'm gonna add some beef here, so this is the juice from the beef I'm gonna add in, and I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna let it cook for about maybe an hour, 30 minutes, or even more, until the meat becomes really soft. This is most of it. The only thing I'm gonna add, and you guys will see the process what I'm telling you, is the beef that I want to add. I'll be at the end, and the sliced onions and the sliced green bell peppers. Those come at the last minute. But this is pretty much it.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but
I'm gonna add the little beef that I told you guys I was gonna add in. And I was tired. The meat is cooking here. I didn't put oil. I put a little bit, but you see, the meat had some oil. So we're almost there. Let me see for salt. I have added bay leaves in here already, and then this is almost done. It's been cooking for a while now. The meat was really hard, and I wanted it to be tender. Now I want the water to go to dry out. Yes, the meat is pretty tender. Yes. Pretty tender. Now because it's stew, I want the water to dry out a tiny little bit. Gonna stir this. Wow. I'll add a little bit of oil to it, a tiny bit, a little bit, and then I'm gonna add these. I added the onions and the green bell pepper, and I think after adding your onions and bell peppers, it should be in for maybe just like a minute or so.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me a million years from now.
Et voila, our stew is all done, looking delicious. It is true this took a long time, but trust me, it's easy and it's really delicious. Okay, I'm now gonna go ahead and serve. This will be eaten with some rice and some plantain. This is you guys need to try this meal at all cost. Okay, make sure you ask me any questions you have, but I'm gonna let you see the process. See how the food looks when it's cooked. It looks like this. Just imagine the taste in the mouth. Well, I'm not gonna spoil it for you, but try this meal and let me know what you think.
Give in to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.